What up, it's Zach Reese. This is my bike check. We'll start off in the front. Crap. Start from the bottom. Riding Bicycle Union front hub, female axle. So far, it's been pretty good to me. There's Bicycle Union. See, it says it right there. A Black Ops front peg to plastic. It's lasted me a pretty good time. The back one did not last me, I'll tell you that. It only lasted me a couple weeks and then it took a crap. Little 8-ball stem thing. I don't know if you can see that, but it says it's an 8-ball. Alienation PBR front rim. Pretty decent. I'm pretty sure the PBR is single wall, but it's strong. I'm not gonna lie. Eastern Hawkeye forks. I had stolen Cyclones on here. I'll go get them real quick. And I'll show you why I replaced them. Little bit. As you can see, they go way forward. Yeah, pieces of crap. Oh, I'll grab this too. I'm here. Running stolen Insider 2 headset and it's orange because I needed it really bad and I had to go to a bike shop to get it, so that's all I had. So that's what I got, and I like it though, smooth. Stolen convict stem, spray painted purple. I need to redo it. Stolen cell bars, 8.65 rise and 28 inches wide. I like them. Thinking about cutting them a little bit shorter though, or like not as wide, but I don't know. I like it though. ODI long neck grips, purple. ODI bar end and S&M bar end because I went through bar ends pretty fast. I have Colony pivotal seat, as you can see. Stolen Thermalite pivotal seat post slammed. Stolen choker stem. Alright, we'll go from here. Cranks, I have no idea. They're 180s though, I know that. 180 millimeter length. Stolen Thermalite pedals. They grip good, but I will say they aren't the best pedals. I don't think it's this one. My other one is pretty bad. Like, it's really loose and it makes a lot of noise when you like drop the bike. So it makes my bike sound like crap. Shadow crank and bone sprocket, piece of crap. Like, badly. Like, it sucks really bad. I'm never gonna get a Shadow sprocket again. Shadow analog 2-chain. It's the second one. I like it. I've had it for about 2 years now, and everybody talks a bunch of crap about how bad Shadow chains suck, and haven't had a problem with it yet. Got tire in the front. Stolen Taiga 20.25. It's the original tire that's been on there. I took it off and I rode a Maxxis Holy Roller, but I wore that thing down, so I put this one back on there. And the cranks had on there before stolen mobs, but I ain't gonna be riding those no more, and that's why. Cracked. Go from the back, I got Madeira V2 cassette hub. I like it a lot. It's got profile internals. So it's pretty much a profile hub, but it just says Madeira instead. And supposedly it's even better than profile. Profile the hub shell, like something happens with it and they can't, like, I don't know, it's weird. Got Odyssey path tire in the back. I've had it for a pretty long time. It needs to be replaced. So it's a front tire, but oh well. Ride it till it's done. Steel peg in the back. And stolen center V3 2010 frame. It's the glow in the dark one. But it's been pretty decent. I've had it about 3 years. I did bend the dropouts really bad, but I fixed it and it still runs. And stolen revolver bottom bracket. See, it has like the little. I like the little spacer things that come with it. It's nice. But yep, that's my bike. Hope you like it. I wish it could be a little better, but as good as you're gonna get. Alright, peace out.
Oh my god, you're like coming towards me.
Killed it. Peace out, niggas.